Let's be real for a second. Money is confusing. You work hard, get paid, and yet by the end of the month, your bank account looks like it went on a crash diet. And here's the funny part. Most people think the solution is make more money. Wrong. If that were true, every high-income earner would be wealthy. But we know the truth. Millions of people making six figures still live paycheck to paycheck. The actual problem? Nobody taught you the rules of money. You learned trigonometry in school, but nobody told you how compound interest could turn $200 into $100,000 over time. You memorized history dates, but no one explained that buying a brand new car drains your net worth faster than a casino. If you've ever thought, money is too complicated for me, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll realize it's not about being born lucky or inheriting millions. It's about following rules that anyone, yes, even you, can apply starting today. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Rule number 1. Money is a game you can actually win. Most people look at money like it's a mountain they'll never climb. Oh, rich people must be smarter than us. Wrong. They're just playing a different game with rules you never learned. Think of money like Monopoly. If you sit at the board not knowing what buying property or collecting rent means, of course you'll lose. The same happens in real life. Schools never hand you the playbook, so you enter adulthood trying to survive instead of play to win. Money is a game, and like every game, you can master it with practice. The first time you play, you'll make mistakes, overspending on a car loan, maxing out a credit card, or investing in some get-rich-quick crypto coin. But the more you play consciously, the better your moves become. So here's the action step. Stop saying, "I'm bad with money." Start asking, "What's my next move?" Track your cash flow, learn one new investing strategy, or cut a recurring expense. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Golden Rule 2. Respect money or it will run from you. Ever notice how people complain about money all the time? Money is evil. Money causes stress. Money doesn't grow on trees. Guess what? That attitude is exactly why money doesn't stick around. Here's the truth. Money behaves like a person. If you constantly insult someone, they're not going to want to hang around you. If you constantly badmouth money, why would it want to stick around in your bank account? Think about it. When you shift your mindset from money is a problem to money is a tool, everything changes. Suddenly, you're not stressed about spending $50 on a book that could improve your skills because you see it as an investment. Suddenly, you stop envying rich people and start asking, what do they know that I don't? Catch yourself when you say negative phrases about money. Replace, I can't afford this with, how can I afford this? That small shift opens your brain to creative solutions, like starting a side hustle, investing in dividend stocks, or reallocating your budget. So instead of treating money like your enemy, start treating it like a business partner. Golden Rule 3. Double your way to wealth. Here's a fun math game. If you have $1,000 today, you are only 10 doubles away from becoming a millionaire. That's it. 10 steps. It doesn't mean you double every year, and it doesn't mean it's easy. But it proves something important. Wealth is not some impossible mountain. It's simply a series of strategic doubles. Let's put this into perspective. If you start with $1,000 and double it through disciplined investments, say index funds or dividend-paying ETFs, you get to $2,000. Double again and it's $4,000. Keep going and soon you're at $64,000, then $128,000, and eventually over $1,000. So how do you double? Not by gambling on risky penny stocks or chasing every crypto hype. You do it through smart plays, building a cash-flowing side hustle, investing in rental properties, reinvesting dividends, or compounding interest in stocks. The point isn't the speed, it's the direction. Each double builds momentum. Each move takes you closer to financial freedom. Golden Rule 4. Don't chase money, attract it. Desperation is a money repellent. You've probably seen someone who jumps from one get-rich-quick scheme to another, Forex today, NFTs tomorrow, flipping handbags next week. Their energy screams, "I'm desperate," and money runs the other way. Money is like attraction. It flows to those who look like they know what they're doing. It's drawn to confidence, skill, and long-term vision. So how do you attract money? By building value. Create something that solves problems for people. Whether that's offering services, creating content, or investing in assets that produce passive income, the key is to become someone money trusts. Instead of asking, "How do I make quick money?" ask, "How do I build lasting value?" Focus on projects, investments, and skills that compound over years. That's how money gets seduced, not by gimmicks, but by substance. Golden Rule 5. Timing beats talent. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Many people lose money not because they're dumb, but because their timing is terrible. Think about the 2008 crash. Millions sold their stocks in panic, locking in losses. Fast forward a decade, and the market not only recovered but skyrocketed. Those who held on, or bought while everyone else panicked, became wealthy. Timing isn't luck, it's patience plus awareness. You don't need to predict the market, but you do need to recognize cycles. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? Is it time to double down on equities or sit on cash reserves? Even in business, timing is everything. Launching a product when the market is ready creates success. Launching too early or too late kills momentum. Learn the rhythms of money. Read market trends. Watch interest rates. Understand when to expand and when to hold back. Timing is a skill you sharpen by studying history and observing patterns. Golden Rule 6. Idle money is dead money. If your money is sitting in a checking account earning 0.01% interest, it's basically napping while inflation eats it alive. That's not wealth building. That's slow financial death. Think of money like an employee. If your employees were just sitting at their desks all day doing nothing, would you pay them? No way. But millions of people let their dollars sit idle in savings accounts. Instead, every dollar should have a job. $1 should be out working in dividend stocks. Another dollar should be hustling in an index fund. Another should be growing equity in a rental property. When your money is actively working, it creates more money. Action step: audit your cash. Ask yourself, what job is this dollar doing for me? If it's sitting idle, deploy it. Invest, reinvest, and diversify. Because bored money doesn't just sit, it shrinks. But active money multiplies. Golden Rule number 7. Always keep a secret account. This isn't paranoia, it's strategy. A secret account is your hidden safety net, separate from your emergency fund. Why? Because sometimes even your emergency fund gets compromised. Unexpected bills, family needs, business losses. A secret account is like your financial ace in the hole. It's the stash you don't touch, don't brag about, and don't mix with your everyday accounts. Imagine your main business collapses tomorrow. Having a hidden reserve of $5,000 or $10,000 could be the difference between panic and power. That cushion buys you time, clarity, and options. This doesn't have to be cash sitting in a shoebox. It can be in a high-yield savings account, short-term bonds, or a liquid ETF. The point is, it's your backup lifeline, invisible to everyone else. Golden Rule 8. Don't flex until you're truly free. Here's the ugly truth. Most people are broke because they're trying to look rich. The $2,000 first-class ticket, the $80,000 car lease, the $10,000 designer bag, it all screams, "Look at me," while silently destroying their net worth. If you can't pay for luxuries without denting your portfolio, you're not rich. You're just performing. Here's a rule of thumb. Until you have at least $10 million in assets, skip the luxury show-off. That money is better used for compounding growth, like building a stock portfolio, scaling a business, or buying rental properties. Think about it. $2,000 spent on a first-class flight could instead buy fractional shares of an S&P 500 index fund. Over 20 years, that $2,000 could turn into over $10,000. Which sounds better, a fancy seat for 10 hours or financial security for life? Golden Rule 9. Understand your real compensation. Most people think their salary is their real income. Wrong. Your net income after taxes is what really matters. If you're not paying attention to taxes, you're losing the game. Governments design tax systems to reward investors and entrepreneurs. That's why business owners get tax breaks for creating jobs, while employees shoulder higher rates. Instead of complaining, learn to play. Use legal tax strategies. Open a retirement account. Understand how dividend income, long-term capital gains, and real estate depreciation work in your favor. Knowledge of taxes is like having cheat codes in the money game. Those who don't study it pay the price. Those who do keep more of their wealth. So here's your move. Learn your country's tax laws or hire a smart accountant who does. Because your compensation isn't just what you earn, it's what you keep. Golden Rule 10. Stop thinking it's the end of the world. Every few years, headlines scream, "The market is crashing. The dollar is collapsing. The world is ending." And millions panic, pulling money out of investments. Here's the truth. Unless it's literally the apocalypse, money will keep flowing. Economies collapse and recover. Markets crash and rebound. During crises, people sell their assets at bargain prices. That's when calm investors swoop in. Think of the 2008 crash. Homes, stocks, and businesses were selling for cents on the dollar. Those who kept calm are now sitting on millions in equity growth. So here's your rule. Don't panic. If you prepare wisely with cash reserves, a diversified portfolio, and patience, downturns are opportunities, not disasters. Because while everyone else is screaming end of the world, the wealthy are quietly shopping the clearance sale of the century. The poor chase lifestyle. The middle class chases salary. But the wealthy? They chase assets, dividend stocks, index funds, real estate, rental properties, businesses, portfolios that compound quietly while they sleep. And here's the kicker. You don't need to wait for some perfect moment. The perfect moment doesn't exist. You don't need $1 million to start building wealth. You need $100 in consistency. You don't need to be a genius in stock market analysis. You need to start, learn, adjust, and grow. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you want to know how smart employees turn every paycheck into equity, then watch this vibe. I'll see you there.